In this video, we'll walk through the process of setting up an Untitled ID tag on your Squarespace site. This will allow you to identify visitors to your website who haven't filled out a form or newsletter, supercharging your marketing contact funnel. There are three main steps that you need to complete. First, turn on the cookie consent bar on your site. Second, create or update the privacy policy on your Squarespace site to include information about the Untitled ID tag. Third, generate some JavaScript code that you will copy and paste into your site. Get started within your Untitled account. Click Create Tag and give this tag a descriptive name. For example, Untitled e-commerce store, and click Continue. This pop-up shares some information about the cookie and privacy policy that you'll need to adhere to use the ID tag. Review this information and then visit the admin portal of your Squarespace site to turn on cookie consent. Navigate to your store and then scroll down to Settings on the left-hand side and click that. Next, select Cookies and Data Privacy and Show the Cookie banner. Save that change. Now, all of your visitors will see the cookie banner when they visit your website. Next, update or create a privacy policy for your Squarespace site. In this example, we'll create one from scratch. Navigate to the Website menu, click Pages, and the plus sign to create a new page. Start with a blank page and name it Privacy Policy. Once that new page is open, click Edit and Add Section. Add a blank section and then click Add Block and select Text. Navigate back to the Untitled dashboard and use this default privacy policy that we've already created for you. This will inform your website visitors about how the Untitled ID tag works. Click Copy, navigate back to your Squarespace site and paste. Click Save and then Exit. To get your privacy policy to show up on each page of your website, navigate to Home and then scroll down to the footer. Click Edit and edit the site footer. Within the footer, click Add Block and search for Content Link. Edit the content link and add the privacy policy here. Click Save and then Exit. Now you have your cookie consent banner on and your privacy policy created on your website. The next step is to return to your Untitled account and scroll down and agree that you have the appropriate cookie consent system and privacy policies in place for your website. Now, you can create your tag. You need to place this line of code in the header of your website so it will work every time a page loads. Select this entire line, including the greater than and less than signs on either end. Right, click, and copy. Return to your Squarespace site, select Pages, and scroll down to Custom Code, and click Code Injection. Paste your line of code in the header section, then scroll down and paste again in the Order Confirmation page section. Click Save, and that's it. Now you have turned on the cookie consent bar, added a privacy policy, and added your Untitled ID tag to the code of your website. You can return to your Untitled account and click View Tags and see that your tag is live. It will take up to an hour for your Untitled ID tag to start resolving or identifying visitors to your website. Remember that the tag will only identify up to 50% of your website visitors. Since we can't identify everyone, you may visit your website as a test and not see your own email pop up in your visitor table. Once your tag has started collecting resolutions, you can view the visitor table and see the email addresses, names, and information about your website visitors, which will update about every 15 minutes. This data is incredibly powerful for your marketing efforts, allowing you to reach more interested website visitors and turn them into high-value repeat customers. Once some visitors have been identified or resolved in your Untitled dashboard, you can connect your existing marketing tools like Klaviyo, MailChimp, or Facebook in the Destinations page. You can also filter your visitors by their demographic information and their on-site behavior to build even more targeted marketing audiences to use in your campaigns. Those destinations will automatically be updated daily with new visitor information that you can use for your email and targeted marketing campaigns.